This is the AUXITO 2-pack of 7440 type automotive LED bulbs. These bulbs are amber and are meant for use in turn signals. Let's take it out of the box. So here is the bulb right here. Standard type base for a 7440 type bulb. You'll need to check your car and see exactly what type of bulb yours takes for turn signals. Like I said, this is an amber bulb, so it is meant strictly for turn signals. Should be about the same fit as the originals. You see there's LEDs all the way around and facing out like that, so when it's in the car, everything will go, you know, these here will face outwards and the rest will hit the reflector and reflect out like that. Now, why LED bulbs for turn signals? Well, a couple of good reasons. First and foremost, these are 4 times brighter than the original halogen bulbs in your car. Wouldn't that be nice to be noticed out on the streets there, so people see that you're changing lanes or making a turn somewhere like that? That's really nice. And another thing that adds to the visibility of these is their instant light up. What's going to happen is, normally with your halogen bulbs, it takes just a moment for them to actually heat up and come to full brightness, and then they sort of fade out. Just think when you're sitting waiting to make a left turn somewhere and there's a whole line of cars, everybody's blinkers on, they kind of fade in and fade out and fade in and fade out like that. These are going to be instant on, instant off, so much more noticeable than the regular halogen bulbs. What's also nice about these is they have a built-in load resistor. That load resistor is necessary, otherwise your car will end up with a condition called hyperflash. Basically what happens is these bulbs draw a lot less power than the standard original halogen bulbs, and therefore the car thinks that the bulb is burnt out and goes into hyperflash mode to let you know. I'm going to demonstrate this to you a little bit later. These have a built-in load resistor, so it will put an additional load on that and hopefully trick the car into thinking that the bulbs are perfectly okay. So now we're going to take this out to the car and I'll show you how to install. So here is the car I'm going to be installing these in. This is a 2007 Toyota Camry. First thing I want to do is just turn on the hazard lights, the 4-way flashers, just so you can see the original bulbs. So there they are, your typical turn signal, nothing special about it. That's all fine and good. Now let's go swap that out for the AUXITO LED bulbs. So the first thing you have to do is locate your turn signals and see which light it is. Obviously I just had them on before. It's these here. These are the reverse lights. Unfortunately, I bought the car that way. I wouldn't do such a thing, but such is. Anyways, this is the turn signal bulb that we're going to be replacing, so we have to open the trunk. So on this car, there's a little hatch. You just open it up just like that. And in here we can see 2 bulbs, one down here and one up here. This is the turn signal. You just verify on the outside. And the way it works very simply is you just grab it and you give it a twist. And the camera unfortunately is a bit in my way, but you just give that a twist counterclockwise and it'll pop out. My hand's in the way anyway, so let me get that pop there. Like I said, just give it a twist counterclockwise. There we go. I just gave it a twist, and now wiggle it and you can pull it out, and there is the old bulb. So now we're going to replace that. This simply pulls out. Just wiggle it back and forth until it pops out, just like that. And now we're going to put the new AUXITO bulb in. Before I go ahead and put that bulb in, I just want to show you what hyperflash is. So I'm working on the left side of the car and I've pulled the bulb out, and your car will go into hyperflash mode if you have a burnt out bulb to let you know. So here's how it works. We're going to make a right turn first, so everything is fully operational on that side of the car. And you have your regular turn signal, exactly what you'd expect. Go to make a left turn, much faster. That's hyperflash. And like I said, because these AUXITO bulbs have a built-in load resistor, that's not going to be a problem. So now we take the new AUXITO bulb and just go ahead and wiggle that and plug it in. There we are right there. I'm going to give this a test before we put it back in the car. Well, you can clearly see that not only is that bright, but indeed, like I said, the instant on and off. So now I'm going to go ahead and install that back into the car. So now putting it back in, you just take that, put it in, and now you just kind of twist it around a bit. You see how it moved a bit? We're just going to wiggle it and play with it, and it's going to seat into place like that. And now we give it a twist again to lock. There you go. You get that click when it's in place. Now I'm going to show you the back of the car with the new LED bulb on this side and the standard old halogen bulb on the other. See if you can spot the difference. Notice anything different at all? The difference is absolutely amazing. Take a look at the difference between those. On the left, super duper bright, instant on, instant off. Now take a look at the right. Nowhere near as bright, and it kind of fades on and fades off, as you see there. And also, there's no hyperflash. I'm going to now operate the turn signals left and right so you can see the difference just one or the other. Quite frankly, I think that would definitely let people know that you're either changing lanes or making a turn. There's nothing better than making yourself visible on the road so other people don't crash into you. It's actually a safety thing is what it is. I'm going to go ahead now and replace the right side so they're even, and of course I'll demonstrate that to you. It's exactly the same procedure on that side. That is an absolutely serious upgrade. Let me give you an up-close shot of what it looks like. They are super duper bright all around. Absolutely fantastic through and through. Every bulb on this car now has been converted to LED, and you can see that every single bulb is super bright and works perfectly. The car is yelling because it's in reverse and there's nobody in it. But I do have the wheels chalked, so it's not going anywhere. Now I'm going to get in the car and I'm going to step on the brake. I'll do a left turn and a right turn just so you could see what this would all look like. So like I said, it really comes down to a safety thing. This way you can be seen. Maybe you're a bit absent-minded and forget where you parked in the parking lot. Well, just go ahead and unlock your car, and if it flashes the lights, I think you'll see that from a mile away without any problem. So once again, this was the AUXITO 2-pack of 7440 type automotive LED turn signal bulbs. An excellent upgrade for your vehicle. Definitely a great thing to convert to LED. Again, it's a safety thing because it's much brighter. Instant on, instant off, all of that great stuff. Well worth the upgrade. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description to where you can find the item available for sale on the manufacturer's website. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.